Most people get this wrong. They think all language learning apps are the same. But Mango Languages takes a different approach that combines practical conversation, cultural context, and gamified lessons. Today, they'll share my usage experience. Mango Languages offers lessons in over 70 languages, from Spanish and French to Korean and Swahili. Each lesson focuses on practical phrases, pronunciation, and cultural tips. Unlike some apps that emphasize rote memorization, Mango encourages speaking and listening from day one. One of the biggest benefits is its structured learning path. Lessons are grouped into manageable units, making it easy to track progress. Most people overlook how this helps maintain motivation. Completing a lesson daily feels achievable rather than overwhelming. The app also includes features like voice comparison, quizzes, and cultural insights. The voice comparison tool lets you practice pronunciation and get immediate feedback, which is essential for developing confidence in speaking. The surprising truth is that Mango Languages works well for both casual learners and serious students. While some apps target only beginners, Mango scales from foundational lessons to more advanced grammar and conversation practice. The only downside is that the premium subscription is required for full access, including all languages and features. However, libraries often offer free access, which is a great way to try the app before committing financially. In conclusion, Mango Languages is a versatile, engaging language learning app that emphasizes real-world conversation and cultural understanding. Whether you're learning for travel, work, or personal enrichment, it's worth trying. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and tips to make language learning effective and fun.